Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to activate AT&T prepaid SIM card online. So in order to do it, first of all you need to come on this website, that is att.com/prepaid activate. Now once you are on this page, you just have to simply tap on the continue option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and on the next page you need to provide your ICC ID or your SIM number. Then you need to provide your IMEI number and your zip code and press continue in the bottom. On the next page you will see further steps in order to activate your SIM, and this way you will be able to activate it very easily. You can even just follow the steps that are given over here, so you just have to simply do it. But if you are not able to do it online, you can just come on this page and you can directly contact them on this number. So this number might be given on the envelope of your AT&T SIM as well, so you need to flip it and you need to just call at this number, and after that you can ask them that you want to activate your SIM, and they are going to activate it for you. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.